Hey guys, welcome back to DiamondTrail Ranch. Got a fun one for you today. I'm going to show you how I'm growing two herbs in the exact same grow bag, dill and cilantro, using nothing but compost from our horse pasture, a little native soil. I'm telling you, it goes a long way with a little bit of watering. If you want fresh herbs all winter long in zones 9 and 10, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. Dill and cilantro are perfect companions. They like the same soil, the same amount of water, and the same cool season temperatures. And the best part, you don't need a big garden. Just one grow bag split right down the middle. So here's the setup. You fill a grow bag about halfway with composted manure from around the ranch. Then we mix a little bit of our native sandy Florida soil. This helps drainage and keeps it from getting too rich. You plant the dill seeds on one side, cilantro seeds on the other, literally a line down the middle. That's it. Water it lightly, but consistently. Both herbs hate being waterlogged, but love evenly moist soil. Place the grow bag somewhere with morning sun and afternoon shade. You can see ours gets nice sunlight through the trees here, okay? Especially in Florida, because cilantro will bolt in heat. So growing it through fall and winter is perfect for zones 9 and 10. For dill, snip from the outside as the fronds get tall when you're harvesting dill. When you're harvesting the cilantro, pinch from the top to keep it bushy. You'll get continuous harvests for weeks, sometimes even months, using this one grow bag. Really, that's it. If you want more easy herbs and garden projects like this one, hit that subscribe button, guys, and comment below. What herbs should I plant together next? Basil and parsley, mint and balm, or lemon balm? You tell me. Guys, this is DiamondTrail Ranch with cilantro and dill right there. That's it. Have a blessed week.